Alright, man, so the floor saga continues. We just got a lot more done. More than 50% done now. From there, all here to up here, all the way to the back. That's all done. We just got this little bit right here left. And we'll be done. Taking it up, that is. A lot of loads, man. That other where we've been dumping at, it's a lot of damn concrete over there. They still haven't grabbed the crusher. I guess they're gonna use the crusher to crush all this stuff down and to use it for like runner crush, I guess. I don't know. Something like that they were talking about. So we gotta still load all this up. He just did this. And all the steer machine. What they call them little shits? Damn. I said quick steer, but I'm wrong. Here comes Jamie and the other dump truck. Guys right here, I don't know who they work for, but they've been in here doing a whole bunch of stuff too. I'm just trying to get a little quick look around. Oh yeah, we gotta get all this slab up too. All this stuff gotta get moved. And you got guys in here. So I guess down here, further down here, they're getting everything evened out. So you see all this debris and stuff like that. They gotta get all that out of there. All the little heavy. It's a pile right there. So all the debris. Been pushing it into piles right there. They've been pushing it into piles all over this thing. You got guys working on the beams. They got the mesh in here. My man, they over here welding. They getting their weld on. We got JPW in here. Yeah, he working on some. Boy right here, he's welding. See? We got all that flattened out. We got all that flattened out. We got all that flattened out. And they gotta put this stuff down. This is what they bought in here earlier. Good that looks. I don't know what they're using these for, but they got the wood in here. You see that little area right there? That's the hole to the other side of the warehouse. They already cut a hole in it. Morris is still in the truck. Boss! You about to dump this? Want to dump it? Oh. Shit, this what you've been doing this shit all day, huh? Dumping it. I left mine inside. Josh, what's going on, bro? crazy, man. Damn near done. Hell yeah. Like, I thought it was gonna be longer than what I thought. No lie. For real. You about to get up out of here? About to get up out of here? I'll see you in the morning. Yeah. Yep. So still dumping runner crush in here. He getting everything straightened out too, my man, in that machine. Is this a pile of runner crush right here? They got the docks all flattened out. Yeah, I don't think this is runner crush. I think this is just shit that was all up under here. I mean, it's probably runner crush, but didn't they have a front door over here? Oh, damn bird. So I guess this is the office. Dark as hell. Office little as shit. Yeah, it's a little office. Oh, that's okay. I got my phone as a flashlight. No shit. Shit's still dark as hell. Oh my god, you can't even leave out of here, bro. I'm in a damn corner. I thought it was a door over here. It's a door on the other side, but I'm about to walk in. I'm about to waste no damn time to walk around that. Sorry, people. Dark for a little second. Oh. There go Papa Jim, I think. Yeah, that's him. That's him. And oh, there go the shit right there. The door down here. Shit, I would have went out the other way, but what's this supposed to be? Office? Probably. What is this? More offices? Yep. Offices. Damn. Big ass break room. Oh, the waterworks. Yo, it's like a horror game. Ooh. What's in here? Oh, that's this shit. And what's this? A bathroom. Oh, and this the other shit crazy. Oh. It's little. Oh, not too much. But yeah, man, that's about to be the end of this video. My day is over with. And everybody is effing gone too. Woo! Shit. Yeah, they done shut. Damn, they done shut the doors up on me over here anyway. I don't know why they ain't shut that one. But yeah, man, that's about to be the end of this video. That's another inside look of Chuck's World. See what I got going on. Seeing what I'm into. The project that we're doing. Yeah. Just a lot of construction, demolition, and all that machine operating. But yeah, man. If you like the video, man, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you fuck with me, rock with your boy, man. But for more good, cool content, man, fuck with me. But anyway, man, that's the end of this video. Y'all be easy. Y'all be safe. Chuck Chelio's out.